Hello children, welcome back. You know what? I'm going to do with vlog 5 in English. Okay, so it is all about the teeth of a grandpa. We are going to talk about the grandpa. Grandpa means grandfather and how he has maintained his teeth well. So let us see how is his teeth. And this is a poem. It is written by Ritu Lamba. By whom? Ritu Lamba. Okay, now grandpa's teeth are shiny and white. He brushes them clean and makes them bright. Every day he eats a carrot and a beet, and so he has 32 teeth. Okay, so it is telling that grandpa's teeth are really very white, and yes, they are shining like stars. Shining means glittery. Okay, and how his teeth is so shiny? Because he brushes them every day and he cleans it so well. He maintains them so well by brushing his teeth, so that until his teeth are bright and clean, he brushes it. Okay, every day. What else he eats? He eats the carrot and the beet. Beet means what? Beetroot. And so he has 32 teeth. So his teeth are very strong and he has not lost any one teeth also. And even it is not damaged. And he has all the 32 teeth. So all of us, that is grown up ones, we have 32 teeth, children. So if we do not maintain them well, then we will lose them one by one. So next, grandpa finds some chocolate in a bowl. He picks it up and eats it whole. Chomp, 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 and he wants some more. But he counts his teeth. There are only 24. So his teeth was really shining and bright, right, children? And how many were there? There were 32 teeth. And look now how many are there? There are only 24. How come? Because one day grandpa found chocolates in a bowl full of chocolates, you can see here. Okay, and he wanted to eat the chocolate. So if he had eaten only a little bit or a piece of chocolate, then nothing would have happened to his teeth. But what did he do? He started eating the whole chocolate by biting them. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Okay, chomp means to bite very noisily, to make sounds as you bite. Okay, and to chew it by making sounds. And as he finished one, he wanted one more. So he ate one after the other. He ate more and more chocolates. And you know what? Later, he felt something he has lost in his mouth. And what was it? It was his teeth. So he counted his teeth and there were only 24. And grandpa finds some milkshake in a bowl. He picks it up and drinks it whole. Slurp, 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 and a gulg in between. But he counts his teeth. There are only 16. So the grandpa did not care when there were only 24 teeth. So he did not think why there are 24 teeth. But later, you know what? Another day he found some milkshake in a bowl and he started drinking. So children, he drinks it whole. Okay, and he wanted that. Actually, milkshakes are very sweet, right? It might damage the teeth, and he just drink it again, making lots of noise. And he also glug. Glug means what? That is when swallowing something that passes through the throat, then there is a kind of sound, right? While you're drinking water, when it passes down your throat, there is a kind of sound that you can hear, that is known as glug. Okay, but later, you know what, the grandpa found something is missing in his mouth and he counted his teeth and there were only 16. Let us see what happened next. So grandpa finds some biscuit in a bowl. He picks them up and eats them whole. Munch, 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 and he just can't wait. So he counts his teeth. There are only 8. So this grandpa is eating more and more of sweets which might damage his teeth, right? So the sweets are damaging his teeth and he finds biscuits, and yes, again he started eating lots and lots of biscuit by making sounds like munch munch and all. And then he counted his teeth. What happened? There were only 8 teeth left in his mouth. Now, still, Grandpa did not become quiet. He did not take care of his teeth. He found some cold drink in a bowl. He picks it up and drinks it whole. Gulp, 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 and he is done. But so are his teeth. Now he has none. So, children, what happened? So he saw cold drink in a bowl. So we must not eat very cold items in large quantities like ice creams and all. It will damage our teeth. Yes, children. So this grandpa, what did he do? He saw cold drink and he wanted to drink it. Okay. He drank the drink so much. He drank lots and lots of cold drink and he made again lots of noise while drinking it very fast. Yes, now his teeth were gone. There were no teeth at all. None means zero. There were no teeth at all in his mouth, children. So the grandpa who had a shiny and white teeth, now he had no teeth at all because he was eating lots of chocolates, biscuits, cold drinks and all, right? So we must take care of our teeth. We must brush it. We must clean it every day, twice daily, so that we will have a strong teeth, clean teeth, and we must also eat lots and lots of vegetables, okay, which will keep it strong, which gives exercise to the teeth, chewing exercise and all. So children, read this poem and I'll be giving you the notes, okay? So before that, I want you to do this. A carrot and a beet, 32 teeth. Okay, if you eat carrot and beetroot, so like vegetables and all, your teeth will be strong. Chocolates and more. What happened when he ate chocolates and more? There were only 24 teeth, right? When he ate chocolates and more. So right now it's 24. Milkshake in between, that means there are 16. So children, rhyming between 16. More 4. Beat, teeth. These are the rhyming words which sounds same. Okay, they sound same. Between, in, more, 4. Beat, teeth, and next. He just can't wait. There are only 8. Wait and 8 are rhyming words. Cold drink is done. Now he has none. Done, none. So the sounds that, okay, the words that makes the similar sound, the same sounds are known as rhyming words. Okay, children? Yes. Now you know what? Circle the words with letter U. Where and all you find the letter U, you have to circle it. Snuff. There is the letter U. Pup. Snuff is a pup. So I will circle as I read. Even you should also circle. And read as well. He lives in a hut. So the word which has U in it, let me circle it. And what is the sound of U? Okay. Words with short U. That means the sound of letter U is A. That is short U. And what is long U sound? That means U itself. It will come as U itself. So his friend is a bug. They play in the sun. Together they have fun. Okay? Yes. Now write these words here. Snuff, SNUFF, PUP pup, HUT hut, BUG bug, SUN sun, FUN fun. Okay? Yes. Now read this poem, children. Cakes are yum. I love my mum. Her cakes are yum. Eating them is fun. One looks like a bun. So here, mum, yum are rhyming words. Right? UM. The word with the similar sounds and with almost the same letters itself which have same sounds. And next, fun, bun, un and un. So these are the rhyming words. So choose two rhyming lines to add to the poem above. The cake is in the pan. Okay. You have to choose two rhyming lines to add to the poem above. The cake is in the pan. That means, yes, eating them is fun. One looks like a bun. One looks like the sun. Right here, one looks like the sun and one looks like a bun. To eat them all I run. She bakes them hot. Okay? If she bakes them hot, I like it a lot. So you can add like this. I like them a lot. One looks like the sun. You can write eating them is fun only for this. Eating them is fun. The cake is in the pan. So I ran. Pan and ran. Okay. So I ran. To eat them all I run. Okay. To eat them all I run. You can make a rhyming word like you can write this word itself. One looks like a bun. One looks like a bun. Okay, children. So here we are just trying to learn new rhyming words like this. Sun, fun, hot, lot, pan, ran, run, bun and all. Okay. So next. Using these rhyming words like cats, hats, trains, rains, night, bright, you can write a small poem on your own, children. Take the help of your parents and try to write a poem on your own which includes these words, these rhyming words. Okay? Yes. So I'll be giving you notes very soon. Until then, read this poem. Okay? Try to read it on your own and underline the rhyming words. Okay? White, bright, they sound the same. Okay? Beat, carrot and beat. And so he had 32 teeth. So it sounds the same. It has similar sounds. And then more, 4. And between, 16. Wait, 8. Done, none. Like this. Okay? Yes, children. Thank you so much. Bye.